I asked Beau and Ashton separately what they love about each other. Beau said, "I love Ashton's kind heart and generosity towards others. I love that she is always keen for new and exciting adventures." Ashton said, "I love that all my favourite memories are with Beau by my side. Most of all, I love how he treats me and makes me feel. It is with great pleasure to now declare you husband and wife."
I love you more than anything, babe, and I'll do anything for you. And let's make the adventures continue.